Kaylee. Is that your hat? Can you say hat? Can you say hat?
Hat.
Hat. Say hat.
Hat.
Is there a cat in the hat? Can you say cat? Oh, there goes your hat. There you go. Oh, now that kind of looks wrong. Can you say Merry Christmas? Hat. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Baba.
That was close. As close as you're going to get, I think. How long till Christmas? It's tomorrow. Where's your tree? Is it up there? Oh, you can't see it from here. Okay, can you say bye? Can you say bye? Bye, everybody.